Think that software update is legit? Think again. One wrong click could install spyware, or worse. Let me show you how to tell the real from the fake before it's too late. I'm Barnett from ITCubed, where we make tech work for you. If you want weekly tips to stay safe and productive, hit the subscribe button right now. Stick around, we'll cover 3 signs of a fake update, how to verify real ones, and the one setting you must check today. First, inspect the look. Real updates come from your operating system or trusted software, not random pop-ups with blurry logos, bad grammar, or flashing alerts. Real updates rarely come through your browser. Tip number 2, never trust a pop-up. If in doubt, go straight to your device's official update center. On Windows, that's Settings, Windows Update, and on Mac, it's in the System Settings. Tip number 3, set it and forget it. Enable auto updates from legit apps like your OS, browser, and antivirus. This keeps you protected without the risk of fake prompts. Don't update through your browser unless it's from a trusted site. Ever been fooled by a fake update? Let us know in the comments what gave it away or what didn't. Bonus tip, if you accidentally clicked one, run a virus scan right away. And if your internet's still acting weird even after updates, don't miss this video on how to boost your Wi-Fi for better productivity. Let's recap. Spot shady designs, never trust random pop-ups, and use official update tools to stay alert. Stay secure and subscribe for more tech tips from ITCubed. Click here to watch what's next.